Welcome to the Pakistan Monument, a national symbol of unity and heritage located on the western Shakarparian Hills in Islamabad. This monument was constructed to symbolize the unity of the Pakistani people and is dedicated to those who sacrificed their today for a better tomorrow. As you move inside, you encounter the Pakistan Monument Museum. Established in 2010, this museum pays tribute to the heroes of the country who gave everything, even their lives, to make Pakistan a reality. Inside, the museum showcases the ancient civilization, the freedom struggle, the birth of Pakistan, and the major achievements of the nation to date. It also features a reference library, an audio-visual archive, a conference hall, and a 62-seat auditorium known as Panorama Hall. After exploring the museum, you ascend the stairs to reach the Pakistan Monument. Spanning a total area of 2.8 hectares, or 6.9 acres, the monument's design is inspired by the rich Mughal architecture of the subcontinent. The petal-shaped structure of the monument is derived from the traditional mukarnas of Mughal architecture. The four large petals represent the four main cultures of Pakistan: Punjabi, Balochi, Sindhi, and Pakhtun. The three smaller petals symbolize the minorities, Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. Together, these 7 petals, though independent, stand united to form the nation of Pakistan, protecting the star and crescent of the Pakistani flag. Moreover, the monument's elevation makes it visible from across Islamabad. From here, you can enjoy a breathtaking view of Islamabad, with its lush greenery and blue mountains providing a stunning backdrop. Overall, the Pakistan Monument is not just a symbol of unity and sacrifice, but also a place of inspiration and reflection. It stands as a testament to resilience and spirit of the Pakistani people.